In this video, we will be doing a 3D proof involving a kite in a plane and a perpendicular to that plane. So we have the givens in the proof here, also down here, and we will be doing the proof and putting it on the diagram over here. So first, ADCB is a kite in plane M, given. ADCB is a kite in plane M. Next, EF is perpendicular to AC and EF is perpendicular to BD, both given. EF is perpendicular to AC and also to BD. Next, angle AFE and angle CFE are right angles. Also, angle BFE and angle DFE are right angles. Perpendicular lines form right angles for both. So for this proof, we only need to show angle BFE is a right angle and angle DFE is a right angle. So we'll just show those so as to not clutter the diagram. Next, angle BFE is congruent to angle DFE. All right angles are congruent. From there, BF is congruent to DF, properties of a kite. A kite has two sets of disjoint congruent sides here and here, and then one of the diagonals is the perpendicular bisector of the other. So then BF is congruent to DF right there. From there, FE is congruent to FE, reflexive property. FE is congruent to itself. So then we have triangle BFE is congruent to triangle DFE, SAS, side angle side. So we have side, angle, side, side, angle, side. It can be a little tricky to see that in 3D. Take a second and convince yourself on that. From there, and we will start marking in green, BE is congruent to DE, CPCTC. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. So BE right there is congruent to DE over here in the back. Then AB is congruent to AD, properties of a kite. A kite has two sets of disjoint congruent sides. So AD is congruent to AB over here. Then AE is congruent to AE, reflexive property. AE is congruent to itself. From there, triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ADE, SSS, side, side, side. So up here, let's look at the green markings: single mark, double mark, and reflexive. And in the back, single mark, double mark, and reflexive. So those two triangles are congruent. Again, make sure you can envision the front triangle and the rear triangle back here. As always, 3D is much harder than 2D because you have to envision a lot of things and a lot of faces. Do it several times, you will get it. It's just going to take some doing.